Hi Eagle Ridge families. In this video, I'm going to show you how your student will access their Google Classroom account. When you are accessing your Google Classroom account, you'll click these 9 dots in the top right-hand corner and click and scroll to the bottom to where it says Google Classroom. Once you get into Google Classroom for the first time, it'll look something like this. And you're going to want to ensure that if there's multiple people in your family, that you're logged into the correct account for your student. Again, this is Gus Griffin, who is a 12th grader at Eagle Ridge Academy. So this is the right individual, so we'll click continue, and I'm a student. Because the teacher invited the student to this class, the student is able to just click join. And then the student will be able to see what it is that the student has, see what the teacher has posted. You're able to create posts to share with your classmates if that's a feature that your teacher has turned on. There will be upcoming assignments listed here. Your classwork will be at the top and be posted on a schedule that you'll be able to see in that calendar on that first page. This is an assignment that this teacher posted. If you go to people, it'll show who your teachers are in the class as well as other students. There's no one else in this class right now, as this is just a sample class, as you can see up here. In order to switch back and forth to your different classes, you can click these 3 bars in the left corner and go to classes. If you want to add a class and your teacher sent you a class code, you would click that plus sign in the upper right corner and put in the class code that your teacher sent you, and then you will be able to put that in as well. Another option is if you are in your Gmail account, you'll notice that the student Gus received an invitation by email, and they can join the class that way also. So there are 3 different options. One is just going straight to your Google account and looking at that the Google Classroom and going directly to Google Classroom. And if your teacher has offered you a class, then you can join that way. Your second option would be adding that code that your teacher sends you or is on their plan book, or going to it from your email account as well if you got a notification from your teacher that way as well. If you have any questions and you're not sure about how to access your classes from your teachers, please email your individual class teachers in order to be able to log into your account. In this sample class, there is a question that the teacher posted. How are you staying active during social distancing? As a student, I can respond, I am playing with my siblings, making sure we have everything spelled correctly, and we're being professional when we're responding to the posts, because we are professional when we are responding in class. And so this is just another format for doing that. I'm playing with my siblings and going outside for walks. And then you can click this button to post it. If you need to click a private post directly to your professor or to your teacher, you would do that here. We're also going to, you can also type your answer in this box, and when you are actually assigned something, this is where you would turn it in. Whereas the class comments down here is specifically for replying to your peers. So I'm going to turn in that assignment, and then I can see classmate answers, and it'll post it there also. Additionally, that initial home page, that streaming page, there's information here on the assignments that are being posted. And you may also share things with your class. If you have additional questions about your specific classes that you are enrolled in, reach out to your specific classroom teacher in order to get additional information on what that should look like. I hope this video helps, and please reach out with any questions. Have a great day.